In the name of Allah, the Beneficent and the Merciful, hello everybody, how are you doing? We'll be doing great by the mercy and grace of Almighty Allah. My name's NA Saqib. I'm your Ielts trainer. Additionally, been also teaching the students spoken English for the last 20 years at the platform of Genius Institute, Lahore. Dear friends, we are also highly trusted student visa specialist. We accept your applications for UK, Australia, Canada, America, and across Europe. Lots of success stories can be seen on our YouTube channel, Genius Institute Lahore. We are offering online classes and offline classes, on-campus classes. If you're interested in any one of them, you can contact our number given in the description. My dear friends, my today's lecture will be about IELTS Writing Task 2, and it's actually associated with Task 2 question type. I'm going to give you some sample questions of discussion essay which have been seen by the students in 2020. So I'm going to register all those questions in front of you. You better just write them down for doing a bit of practice on them. Dear friends, my detailed lecture about IELTS discussion essay is already uploaded on our YouTube channel, Genius Institute Lahore. The duration of the lecture will be 38 minutes, 31 seconds. And you better just go through it, just try to understand that for your better understanding how this question type can be useful for you for preparation of this particular task too. And now I'm going to give you in that lecture, I have given in that lecture how to identify and differentiate this particular question type discussion essay from the other types. And then I have also told you the specific structure and fundamental blocks of discussion essay. Then I've given you some useful expressions which can be used in this question type and which can enhance your band scores quite effectively. And then last but not the least, I have given you one more thing, and that is a complete question and answer session in which I have given you a sentence by sentence formula how this particular question can practically be written, and I have given you the question and complete answer befitting that structure. And additionally, I've also told you something about examiners' criterion of assessment regarding the band descriptors, and you know that there are 4 factors which matter when they are granting you the band scores, and those are task response, coherence and cohesion, lexical resource, and grammatical range and accuracy. I have associated all these 4 factors with that particular essay, and I've told you how these particular factors work when examiners are actually looking forward to granting you the band scores. Now I'm going to give you some sample questions, and I hope you will just write your answers down and get them checked by some expert IELTS trainer. And if you don't find any one of them, you can hire our services. Of course, we give the paid services, and we give essay correction services. They can be given online and on campus. My questions will be like this. I've selected some 6 questions actually out of all those questions which students have come across in 2020 questions in IELTS Writing Task 2. So those questions would be like this. I just recommend you that you must better write them down on your notebook for your further practice. Some people think that environmental problems should be solved on a global scale, while others believe it's better to deal with them nationally. So the instruction words which give you a clear-cut idea that this is going to be a discussion essay. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. Sometimes the examiner just asks you to discuss both sides, and sometimes additionally your opinion is asked. So, these are two very perfect examples of discussion essays. The next question. There seems to be an increasing number of serious crimes committed each year. While some think the best way to use the death penalty as a deterrent, many people believe that other measures will be needed. Discuss both sides. Question number 3. Some people think that getting a degree from university is the best way to guarantee a good job. Others believe that it would be better to go straight into work and get experience instead. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. Question number 4. Some people think that exercise is the key to health, while others feel that having a balanced diet is more important. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. Question number 5. It's thought by some that it's better to live in a city, while others believe that life is better in the countryside. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. The last question. Some people think that internet has brought people closer together, while others think that people and communities have become more isolated. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. Dear friends, very useful lecture. You must practice all these questions and get them checked by some expert IELTS trainer. We also offer the IELTS essays correction service. If you want to hire our services, you're welcome. I'll see you with another uploaded video. Until then, God bless you all. Take care of yourself and bye-bye.